After all the unfortunate scenes that played out in Parliament, you had both the BJP and Congress rushing to a nearby police station to point fingers at each other. The BJP filed a complaint against Rahul Gandhi, accusing him of assaulting MPs, members of Parliament inside in the Parliament premises. The Congress soon after landed up with the delegation at the police station. They filed a complaint too, details of which we have now on India Today. The Congress is alleging the BJP MPs disrupted a peaceful protest and that BJP MPs targeted, injured Mallikarjun Kharge. According to the Congress's complaint, they've actually said that criminal force was inflicted upon Kharge and therefore he was injured. Someone who was 80 years old plus has been injured by BJP MPs is what the Congress has maintained. Both sides have gone to the police. Now we'll have to see what really happens. The BJP has sought for an FIR to be registered against Rahul Gandhi. The Congress has said register an FIR against all those BJP MPs who targeted Mallikarjun Kharge. Rahul Gautam is joining us live. He's joining us live from the RML hospital. That's where the two BJP MPs currently are hospitalized. But Rahul, I just want to focus first on the complaint war that's broken out between the BJP and the Congress. Both, of course, have their own versions of what played out. Both are pointing fingers at each other. Now we'll have to see what really emerges from the investigation. The key here, perhaps, is going to be the probe and the CCTV footage that emerges.
Well, Akshita, the day that started with the protest, counter-protest, it seems to be ending on a complaint, counter-complaint, which has already been filed with police officials. So clearly, there are two different versions that are coming in, absolutely different. On one hand, you have BJP, whose MP is alleging that it was LOP Rahul Gandhi who pushed some of their MPs, and which resulted in injuries to two BJP MPs, and also one female MP has come forward saying that Rahul Gandhi came extremely close to her and which made her uncomfortable. A complaint has been filed by BJP in this regard also to Rajya Sabha chairperson. And then on the other side you have Congress party, whose MPs are saying that it was Mallikarjun Kharge who was heckled. It was Rahul Gandhi who was manhandled right at the right at the entrance of Lok Sabha at Makar Dwar, where BJP MPs were protesting. In fact, Rahul Gandhi said that he was threatened by BJP MPs. So clearly, two different versions coming in. Complaints have already been filed with police officials. Now the ball is in the court of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha Secretariat, and they're going to decide if they're going to come up with the CCTV footage. I have with me
what you're seeing,
Mr. Arun Singh, who is BJP's MP from Rajya Sabha. आप मिलकर आए अभी उनकी तबीयत कैसी है, एक तो ये बताइएगा, और जो कांग्रेस जो ये बार-बार आरोप लगा रही है कि ये अंबेडकर और अडानी से ध्यान भटकाने का एक तरीका है।
देखिए, अभी मैं मिल के आया कि आईसीयू में भर्ती हैं और ठीक से बोल नहीं पा रहे हैं। उनके जो सर में टाके लगे हैं और टाके के कारण दर्द भी है। प्रताप सारंगी जी का व्यक्तित्व है इस प्रकार से है कि वह वेद, गीता से लेकर के रामायण, पुराण के बहुत बड़े ज्ञानी हैं। उड़ीसा की जनता उनको बहुत प्रेम और सादर के साथ देखती है। बहुत सरल और सज्जन व्यक्ति हैं। इस प्रकार को व्यक्ति को धक्का देकर के नीचे गिरा देना, यह राहुल गांधी जी ने जो पाप किया, भगवान उनको माफ नहीं करेगा। अब पता नहीं मनसा क्या थी। जब हमने खुद संसद में देखा, सीआईए वहां पे जो सिक्योरिटी के लोग
मौजूद थे उसके जब घटना घटी,
मैं कहा कि जब सिक्योरिटी के लोग अलग से जाने के लिए रास्ता दिए तो वहां से राहुल गांधी जी जा सकते थे, लेकिन उन्होंने पता नहीं क्या सोचा कि सब बीजेपी के सांसद के बीच में घुस करके और उनको प्रताप सारंगी जी को धक्का देकर के
कहना है कि आप लोगों ने रास्ता ब्लॉक किया हुआ था, वो अंदर आना चाहते थे।
बिल्कुल भी रास्ता ब्लॉक नहीं था, बिल्कुल किनारे से लोग जा भी रहे थे। वो रास्ता से बिल्कुल किनारे खाली था, जो सीढ़ी चढ़ करके जा सकते थे, लेकिन उससे वो गए नहीं। वो सीधे चलते चलते एमपीओ के बीच में घुस करके अपनी वहां ताकत वो दिखाने का काम किए कि मैं ताकतवर हूँ, किसी को भी गिरा सकता हूँ।
राहुल गांधी और कांग्रेस का कहना है कि
you heard that version there. BJP MPs are saying that the reason there was this kind of a tussle, a scuffle that broke out is because Rahul Gandhi forced his way into the crowd of BJP MPs and started pushing them, physically manhandling them. Can you believe that we're talking about our members of parliament right now like they're criminals, and we're awaiting an investigation to find out who's the actual criminal here? The reality of all of that played out today is that 2 members of parliament are actually in the ICU of the RML hospital in Delhi. This is absolutely downright shameful, and all of this, mind you, played out in parliament. And just because there were 2 sides protesting, they simply couldn't do it peacefully.